So programming exercise 317 of the Java Mooc course. The question tells us to create a method public static void remove last. So let's create a method public static void remove last array list strings, right? Then we are creating a array list string named strings equals to new array list. Okay, then we're adding members to our list. First strings dot add second strings dot add third. Now the problem asks us to remove the last value in the list that it receives, right? So here we need to remove third from the list. So let's just print our list as illustrated in the problem. Print line strings, then we are calling our method remove last, and again we're calling remove last, and we have our list as our parameter. So, and it also says that if the list is empty the method does nothing. So if strings dot size, that gives us the size or the length of our string, then we have to do nothing, so just return, right? Else what we have to do is we have to remove the last member. So strings dot remove the last index is gonna be strings dot size -1. So let's just check it out if it works or not. Sorry, this is a second. There's a typo. Then we have to just print our strings again. So strings, system dot out dot print line. We have to print out strings. So let's just wait. Okay, this is done. So thank you. And it's done.